Hi, you are welcome to Facebook Ads Implementation course. I want to say a very big thank you for investing in this course in terms of money and most importantly, your precious time. I really appreciate that time you want to invest in this course. I want to encourage you that you should take your time and go through the modules from module 1 to the last module. Anyway, I'm Moses Damola. I'm a senior media buyer with Dodge Technologies Nigeria Limited. And in this course, I'm going to be your facilitator. So just take your time and go through the modules. Go through the modules step by step. I have taken time to break down the course. In fact, what you have in the members area is even more, the modules you have in the members area is even more than what you have on the sales page. Why? Just to ensure that you have basic, the fundamental understanding of Facebook advertising. And I need to tell you, the essence of this course, the aim of this course is to ensure that you can run Facebook ads conveniently, comfortably, and profitably, okay, without anybody supporting you, okay. But that does not mean that if you have any challenge, you can always go to the Telegram support group to ask your question. I will be available to answer your questions. For this course is a mentorship like course where you ask your questions and I will make what I will attend to those questions. Not only that, every month, I will select 2 Saturdays on monthly basis where I will update this course. I will have a Zoom class with all of you, with you. So in the members area, I will use the Zoom. I'll do a live Zoom class to address any of your concern, and I will always update this course if there is any change in Facebook platform, advertising platform, any new strategy. I will always update you. And as a media buyer, I want Facebook advertising agency where I help businesses to run their business, to run adverts, to increase their sales, get new clients and all that. So I will also update case studies of all these advertising strategies with my clients. I will always update so you can get the best from this course. As we look at the sales page, okay, you will see all these modules. As I said, I've gone beyond more. I've created topics beyond this module so that you can get better understanding of Facebook advertising. Aside that, I have promises, bonuses that I have promised you. All the bonuses promised will be delivered to you. In fact, I'm going to show you where to download all these promises. Like 49 Facebook ads that made millions online. It's just a swipe that you can see, study it, and apply it. Done for you. Facebook appeal script if your Facebook account is restricted, provided it's within 30 days, you can still recover that. I've done that for many of my clients and for some of my campaigns that were restricted. Done for you Facebook advertising calculator, okay, 3D ebook cover design video is a video tutorial that will teach you how to create all these ebook covers. All these ebook covers were created by me, and I've taken time to explain how you can also create these ebook covers without paying any money. Okay, then not only that, we have 700 proven headline formulas to skyrocket your conversion. Headlines are very, very important. So you can come to this particular bonus and see how you can craft your headline. You can even see just swipe what we have there and use Facebook ad swipe file. Okay, not only that, spy your competitors' ads. That's one of the easiest way to know what works. The landing page checklist for Facebook compliance. For every sales page, Facebook sees your sales page. Facebook looks at what you have on your sales page, and we have what we call legal document that Facebook requires that every advertiser must have on their landing page or their sales page. So everything you need to know is in that bonus. whiteboard video creator. You can create a whiteboard. The software is there, the video is there. Then the Facebook Telegram support group. You can always join. Once you buy this course, then join the Telegram support group, where I'll be attending to your questions. Then copywriting, Fiverr income arbitration, then make 6 figures with script.com, ultimate guide to video marketing, article list builder, this content machine, 99,000 PLR articles. This is just a database, of a storehouse of different articles that you can swipe, you can use for your content, for your Facebook group, Facebook posts, even for creatives. You can come here and look at the articles there, the content, and swipe it and use it for content generation. You can even get a gig. You can even use this content machine to get a lot of businesses and write content for businesses. Then video editor for all your social media videos. After creating your video, you can always edit the videos. I've given you some video editors that you can use. Then Facebook ad approval checklist, 365 email prompts. Then converting email follow-up sequence. If you want to go into email marketing as a result of your advertising, you have email sequence just to follow up people that have visited your sales page, that visited your site, probably without performing the action you wanted them to perform, or people that bought from you and you want to introduce other products to them so as to sell more. You have email sequence that you can use. Not only that, this is the members area. So for the members area, this is just module 3 and Facebook business page setup. To go to the next module, just click on next lesson. Then you have the next lesson. This will take you to module 4, the traffic system. Then the next lesson. Then concerning the bonus, you can always come here. It's under lesson that's module 22. You will now see all the bonuses that I have promised you. You can always come here, all bonuses, open it here and download it. Then 3D ebook cover, you can come here and have access to the bonus. So please and please go through these modules. Ensure you go through it. If it's possible, if it requires you going through the modules once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, please and please do it and ask your questions in the Telegram support group. Like I said, every month, 2 times on 2 Saturdays, I will take time on Zoom and have a meeting with you where I can update you, and I will always update this course with new features based on Facebook's strategies, because Facebook is doing a lot of changes and all that. Please and please, if you have any challenge, let me know. My number will be on the Telegram support for any support. Thank you for investing in this course, and I believe that the principal purpose of this course will be achieved. Make money, increase your skill, and blow up. Thank you.